This is MA 108, section 6.1, and this is question number 35. So the directions for question 35 and others like 35 say to solve the triangle, if there's no solution, write no solution, and if there's more than one triangle, then solve for both. So I want to show you how I figure out, first of all, if there's more than one triangle, how I think about it. So this is for question number 35. And in question 35, they give us an angle alpha, 69 degrees, and then they give me side A, so that'd be opposite of alpha, is 86 feet, and they give me side B, which is somewhere on the triangle, and that's going to be 91 feet. So what I do first is I draw this generic triangle, and I label this side as A, 69 degrees for alpha, and then opposite of that I have to put 86. So based on what they gave me in the problem, I have to put 69 in one of the angles, and then opposite has to be 86. That's what they told me in the problem. So then I say to myself, well, where should I put 91? And I remember that I could put 91 on this side, or I could put 91 on that side. I have two choices, right? And if I put 91 on this side, then this would be angle beta. And if I put 91 on this side over here, then this would be angle beta. And I remember that because I get to choose beta, and beta could be two different things. And if beta and beta are two different things, that reminds me, oh, I have two triangles. So based on what they gave me, so I have this 69 and then opposite this 86, this is locked in because of the problem. But the choice of where I can put B on one of these two sides makes the choice of beta being two different things. And so that tells me I have two different things, so I have to have two different triangles. Okay, so how do I find those two different triangles? Well, the first thing I do is I sort of find the easy triangle first. So I set sine of 69 degrees divided by 86. So 69 degrees, take the sine, divide it by the opposite side. That's equal to the sine of beta, I don't know beta yet, divided by 91, because they told me that the side B was 91. And when I solve for that, I multiply this 91 over to this side, and I get the sine of beta equals 0.9876. So in order to find beta, I take the arcsine of this, and I get beta equals arcsine of 0.98786, and that tells me 81 degrees. Okay, so for one triangle, one of my triangles, I have my beta equal to 81 degrees. So if beta is equal to 81 degrees, my gamma would be 180 for all three angles in my triangle, minus the 69 that they told me I started with, the 69 degrees, minus the 81 degrees I just found, and that tells me that gamma would be 30 degrees. So if I add 30 and 81 and 69, I get 180. That's how I found those three angles. I was given the one, I found the other one by doing this calculation and then taking the arcsine, and then I found the third one by taking 180 degrees, minusing 69, minusing 81, and I get 30. So to find side C, I take the sine of 69 over 86, the sine of alpha over 86, equals the sine of 30 degrees over C, which I don't know, and I solve for C, and I get 46 feet. So for my first triangle, I have beta 81, gamma 30 degrees, and C 46 feet. So how do I find my second triangle? That's my first triangle. How do I find my second triangle? Well, what I've done here is drawn a picture. So you don't have to draw this picture every time, but how do I find it? So I take 180 degrees and I minus away the beta that I just found, the 81, and I get 99. And I drew a picture. So this is my 69 degrees, and I have this side over here, and this is the first 81 degrees that I found. This is 81 degrees. So this is the first triangle that I found. Now the second triangle, I have the same 69 degrees, but now I took 180 degrees, this line, and I subtracted 81, and I'm left with 99. So this is my second triangle that I found. Okay, so I don't draw this every time. I just remember I take 180 minus the first beta that I found, and I get 99, and that becomes my beta for my second triangle. So beta is for my second triangle. Now look what happens. If I took the sine of 69 degrees and divided it by 86, and then I set that equal to the sine of 99 divided by b, when I solve this for b, I should get 91 feet, right? Because after all, that's what they told me b was when we started. And sure enough, when I solve this for the sine of 69 degrees over 86 equals sine of 99 degrees over b, and I solve that for b, I in fact get 91 feet. So there are two angles that satisfy that equation. The first angle is 99. That's the first one that satisfies it. And the second one that satisfies it is this 81. Both of them satisfy it just fine. Okay, so we found them both now. We found both the betas. We found the first beta by taking the arcsine and getting 81. And then we have to find the second beta by taking the 180 and subtracting that first beta, and we found the second beta. So then I take, how do I find gamma? Well, I take 180 minus 69 degrees that I was given, minus that second beta that I just found, 99, and I get 12 degrees. So gamma is equal to 12 degrees. And then I figure out what C is by taking the sine of 69 degrees divided by 86 equals the sine of 12 degrees that I just found divided by some C I don't know. And I solve for C and I got 19 feet. So for this triangle, the second one, I found beta was 99 degrees, gamma is 12 degrees, and my side C is 19 approximately feet.